Guys, have you heard of this new match evaluation system? Yung kahit talo ka na pwede pang madagdagan yung star mo kaya hindi ito mabawasan. Imagine sa pagiging objective player mo pwede kang makakuha ng mataas na rating. Let's welcome the new evaluation system sa Season 11. Sa bagong system na to ay hindi lang KDA ang magiging basehan ng pagiging MVP, may factor na rin yung pagbasag ng tore, pag-take ng objectives at yung teamfight participation. Kaya kahit anong role mapasupport man yan or mid lane or farm lane or clash lane or jungle ay pwedeng mag-MVP basta magawa mo lang ng tama yung role mo. Eto na nga bang sinasabi nilang objective meta over kills? Mataas na rating, mas maraming stars. This upcoming new match evaluation system will no longer rely heavily on raw KDA and MVP titles alone. Objective control, teamfight impact, clutch saves, and even strategic plays like zoning or vision will give you benefits sa ratings. Kaya mas bigyan yung focus yung objective kesa sa kills. This new system is designed to truly reflect the impact, not just stats. It encourages smarter plays, teamwork, and even non-flashy game-winning moments. Season 11 is just around the corner. Get ready to redefine what it means to be MVP. Hoping that this new system will make every players play objectively rather than kills. Kaya abangan nyo!